welcome back to my channel. This is elinamichelle and today I will be creating a very subtle look with this white kurta. Now white kurtas have some certain type of makeup जो उस पे अच्छा लगता है, so I am trying to make a very subtle and a simple look by it. So firstly wearing my lenses and oops, it hurts a lot. So after some tears here and there, finally I am done with my lenses and let's start with the first step of makeup, which is priming. यहाँ पे मैंने Colorbar का pore filling primer use किया है and I am applying it by pushing the primer in my skin ताकि वो अच्छे से pores में fill हो जाए and you can see such a nice blur effect. Now second step is illumination. So this is by Swiss Beauty और ये बहुत ही अच्छा MAC का जो स्ट्रोब क्रीम आता है उसका एक ड्यूप है. दिस इज़ बाय स्विस ब्यूटी एंड आई विल बी अप्लाइंग इट ऑन माई फेस एज अ मॉइस्चराइज़र. मैं मॉइस्चराइज़र ना यूज़ करके इसको यूज़ करूँगी. नाउ यू कैन इंस्टेंटली सी हाउ नाइस pinkish and a silverish type of glow on my skin. So this is to get a healthy glow on your skin and आप इसे बिना मेकअप के भी wear कर सकते हो. It looks super natural. So for foundation, here my most favorite foundation ever, my top favorite foundation, that is the K Beauty in the shade 135N medium. Taking a nice pump and then applying it with the help of my PAC 265 brush. This blending brush by PAC gives such a nice texture on the face because it has dual fibers, and because of those fibers the density of this brush is really good and it gives a very nice texture and even texture on. So now you can instantly see how nice and natural my face is looking even after applying the foundation. K Beauty foundation is so good, बहुत ही natural एक finish देता है. You can see the difference मेरे natural face में and one with the foundation. बहुत ही dewy and natural finish है K Beauty के foundation की, really nice. और ऊपर से इसका जो formulation है ना बहुत ही lightweight है, so it is super comfortable in wearing it. For concealer, yeah, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is a superb HD concealer, 100% recommended, and I love it because of its brush tip applicator number 1 and number 2 because of its formulation and blend. इतना प्यारा, इतना naturally blend हो जाता है आपके face में और सारे flaws आपके अच्छे से hide कर देता है and इसकी coverage भी super buildable and अच्छी coverage है. So you can use this for every day. In fact मैं तो कभी कभी सिर्फ conceal करके ही अपने face पे बिना कोई base लगाए सिर्फ इस concealer को use करके ही चली जाती हूँ and it looks super nice. Now using the Earth Rhythm Lip Cheek Tint, and this is a very beautiful product. It's in the shade Brandy. It is cruelty free, superly pigmented and I just love its formulation क्योंकि ये इतना smooth और इतना natural finish देता है कि आप इसे ना ही सिर्फ lip पे, cheeks पे बल्कि इनफैक्ट अपनी eyelids के ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो एक natural pinkish glow के लिए. You can see how nice and natural it is looking on my face. Now using the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This is superly pigmented but yes it does smudges, so I am using another brush और मैं इसको अब अपने upper eyelid में tight line कर दूंगी ताकि एक overall detailed look आए. छोटी छोटी detailing से बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है. So after nicely tight lining my upper lid I will be moving on towards filling my waterline. मैं इसको पूरी तरीके से end से end तक पूरा fill कर दूंगी and then बाद में smudge करूँगी. So after filling, because मैंने एक अलग और light color का eye lens पहना है, so I need much detailing on my eyes. So मैं इसको अच्छे से smudge करते हुए लगा रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ भी लगाऊंगी and then using an inclined brush और मैं हल्का सा बाहर निकालते हुए उसको अपनी lower waterline पे अच्छे से smudge कर दूँ. So now to complete my eye look, I will be using the same काजल. उसको मैं एक eyeliner की तरह सिर्फ middle part of my eyes तक लगाऊंगी ताकि एक बहुत अच्छा complete look आए. Lip shade, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Forever Matte Lip Shade. This is in the shade Nude Twist. Super nice peachy orangish type of shade, लेकिन ये dry off होकर बहुत natural लगता है. Very pretty and a lightweight formulation. बहुत ही अच्छा formula है and I love it. For my eyebrow filling, I generally use this Nykaa Brow Chika pencil, but आज मैं सिर्फ naturally अपनी brows को bushy दिखाना चाहती हूँ. So I will be brushing it up using the spoolie at the end of this pencil and I am done. For setting my under eyes, I will be using the banana powder present in this Wet n Wild contour palette and using it with the same blending brush and applying it underneath my eyes. And ये एक बहुत अच्छा matte look दे देता है और soak in कर लेता है कोई भी sweat अगर आ रहा है तो. And I highly recommend this palette for contour and for banana powder. So lastly, I'm using this K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz and I am done with my look. So we are at the end of the video and this is my final look. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please like my video, subscribe to my channel so that you get regular videos and you get notified every time I put a new video. Bye! I love you all so much.